Meaning of guilty.
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 Guilty. The term guilty typically refers to being responsible for committing a wrongful act, or being found culpable of a crime or offense. When someone is found guilty in a court of law, they may face consequences such as fines, imprisonment, or probation. The feeling of guilt can also refer to a sense of remorse or shame for one's actions or inaction. It's important to note that guilt can be subjective and influenced by factors such as cultural norms, personal beliefs, and individual circumstances. Overall, being guilty implies some level of wrongdoing and potential consequences.